Did you hear about Assamese cuisines in Bangalore? Me, Bipasha Nandi from MM's Explorers, we take you to a tour of Assamese cuisines in Koramangala, Bangalore. Mr. Dipankar Kolita from Dispur, Assam came down to Bangalore and established this Exomi restaurant. The dish over here is as traditional as you can find in the households of Assamese people in Assam. So here we have the menu of Exomi. It has a tagline says Taste of Assam. Here we actually have the specialty thalis, which is chicken thali, fish thali and pork thali. The specialities of Assam is Patodya Murgir Mangho. It's chicken steamed in banana leaf, which is a specialty in Assam. Here we also have Mas Pitika, which is seasoned with tomatoes, garlic, onions and chilies. It is very good specialities which is made in households of Assam. We also have lai pata with gahuri mangho, which is a green leafy vegetable which is steamed and curried with pork. We also have in dessert curd and jaggery, which is given to the guests in households of Assam. It is an absolute delicacy. Absolute delicacy of chicken thali we have right here, where we have steamed rice, we have plain dal, we have mixed veg, we have the famous aloo pitika, we have palan saag, we have famous khar, and we have the famous chicken curry. So we have kolmi shag, which is also an absolute delicacy in the households of Assam. We also have a pork with lai shag, a green leafy vegetable curried with gahurir mangho, which is called pork curry with green leaves, and in dessert we have curd with sugar. So let us enjoy and give you the taste. How is it? So let's taste and see and get the acquired taste. So this is, I'm having a little bit of plain dal with aloo pitika. This aloo pitika has made me remember my mom's aloo pitika. It's like delicious. Thank you so much. It's awesome. Now we'll taste mixed veg. Yeah, it's amazing. You can have it with roti, you can have it with paratha, but I think rice goes very well with it. We'll have the palang saag, which is actually called palong in Assamese. So yeah, it is also very good in taste. We'll also have this kolmi shag, which is actually rarely found nowadays. So let's see, how does it taste? though I have never tasted kolmi shak, but here is my first time tasting kolmi shak, so I would definitely try it once again because it has an acquired taste. Oh, so now I'm tasting khar, which is a very renowned dish in Northeast. It is actually made with papaya and masoor dal, and also they've added soda bicarb. Soda bicarb is actually added in many of the dishes in Northeast so that they don't need to use any spices or any masalas, because they eat very healthy and they are very healthy, stay very healthy. So let me try that. Wow, it's amazing. I think I have to thank Akzomi for bringing out my past taste of my Northeast version. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to taste chicken, the version of Akzomi. Wow, this chicken tastes exactly like the small dhabas which we have the roadside while going to Assam. It's amazing. It has the same succulent taste. Now I'm going to try the pork with light half. I'm trying to pronounce it properly. It's amazing. I know my camera person has never tasted a pork dish like this, but if he tastes this, he'll be a fan of this. So let's wait and watch. Now I have to move on and taste the duck with pumpkin. The duck is so tender, it is just falling off the bones. Wow, this is also amazing. So please do come and visit and taste this delicacy of Assam. Yes, we are finished with that day. Yes, it is an amazing experience having Akzomi thali. And Akzomi really has an acquired taste of food. Assamese people, they do have an acquired taste in food, culture, dance, music and food. Food is one of the things which connects people through heart. Yes, I do want people to come here and taste Akzomi thali and have lots of fun.
हाय आई मुर्मू। ये होटल 2012 में ओपन किया था, अभी 8 इयर्स हो गया। हम लोग का जैसा घर में जो बनाता है, हम लोग का आसामीज़ में सबसे अच्छा होता है पोर्क विथ लाइफाक स्पेशल डिश है, और डार्क मीट विथ गार्ड है, कुमुरा का साथ होता है, खार है जो पपैया और उससे बनाया जाता है। पूरा आसामीज़ खाना है, घर का जैसा है, उसमें मसाला कम रहता है, ऑयली कम रहता है। आप लोग आइए, विजिट कीजिए। थैंक यू।
In case you like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for notification and stick around.